How to scare your cat. Oh shit!
Would you rather have a gay son or a thought daughter?
咦，这什么玩意儿？这玩意儿能飞出来吗？不能吧。
You got it.
Come on, Betty. You got this.
Hello guys, sorry for interrupting the video. Can you please subscribe to the channel and like this video? I'll give you lots of kisses and lickies. I'm waiting. Thanks Human. I love you.
It's not mean. This is how our cat reacts when we give her a bath.
I'm not even giving her a bath yet. Or attempting.
It looked like she tried to hang herself for a sec.
Stop asking me, do I have friends? It's just me and my dog.
Oh, for now.
Bark, bitch.
What are you doing in my house? I want waffle fries.
Get over here and listen. Are you listening? Today we're gonna go to the beach. We're gonna get a little bit of chicken. Hey, hold on. Hold on, hold on.
Soup. Oh my god. That is so perfect. So crazy.
You want to get a picture of you and Nancy with it?
Nancy!
Pose with it. Give it a kiss.
Nancy!
You can't have my soup. But look, that's us. This us.
What did you do to the monkey? Did you hurt him? Oh no, he's okay, buddy. It's okay. Don't be shy. It's okay. Hey.
Mother. Mother, I crave violence.
Where's your ears? Did you lose them? Oh, there they are. You didn't lose them. You ready to go eat? You ready? Go.
Oh, water break.
Daddy?
Yeah.
This family makes me want to murder people.
I owed him up.
They say if you give a dog an egg, they'll be gentle with it.
Baby like.
Yes. It wasn't over.
What are you doing in my house? What are you doing in my house? I want waffle fries.
Yeah, you're making mommy smell your bum.
Oh shit, that's kind of scary. Should I go in?
Things cat lovers do. Pick up their cats even though they're comfortable. Say big stretch every time they stretch. Boot them at any given opportunity.
Alright, no more.
worried about you. We haven't seen you in 3 minutes.
Good morning. You look kind of stupid with the flash on. Sorry, I was gonna say, I don't know why I said that. I didn't mean to. I don't think you look stupid at all. I think you look beautiful, Novi.
And if your child
Welcome to TikTok Trends, where we test fact or cap. I'm always there for you.
Do you know what happened to my heart?
What happened to your heart?
Well, when the first time I told you, when I saw you, my heart fell in love with you.
Buggies! Come here! Watch them all running.
What are you doing in my house? What are you doing in my house? I want waffle fry.
Buffy, you snore too damn loud. If you don't snore tonight, I promise I will bring you to the beach tomorrow. Deal?
Pick that dog?
No.
Can I pick that dog?
No, he's
Can I
sleeping.
pick that dog?
This is Reginald. He's a purebred Doberman Haversham. He costs $2,000 and we're on a waiting list for 2 years to get him. These are my babies, Chonko and Fuckass. I found them in a dumpster and I love them more than life itself.
What's wrong? You don't get my food. Arguing is not the way. Oh, no, it's not.
What do you mean? You want a piece of cheese? Piece of cheese? There you go. There was a pill in there. You took it.
This is the dad that didn't want another dog.
I may be depressed, but at least I have an iced coffee.
You're still depressed.
But I have an iced coffee.
But you're still depressed.
Okay, but I have an iced coffee.
You cannot control me. You cannot. Okay. You can have a little control, but I'm still in charge.
We've been trying to contact you regarding your car's extended warranty.
There she comes. Reese. Sit down. Reese, did you go outside the driveway? Reese. You're not allowed to go outside the driveway. You have an electric fence collar and you break through anyways. Reese.
Is this funny? Is this a funny thing for you to do? Because I just came in here to go to bed after I just fixed this whole situation. And you're not even laying on the right spot. That's my spot on the bed, first of all. Now I have to move the bed, I have to lift the bed, put it back up on its frame, put my sheets back on, and make my bed.
Are you paying attention, or do you care? Are you gonna fix it?
Don't forget to subscribe and turn on all notifications to watch more cute and funny pets.